Welcome everybody. Today we are going to learn about the brachial plexus. The brachial plexus is a thick, wide band of nerves formed by union of ventral rami of last three cervical and first two thoracic nerves. It is placed between thoracic wall and medial aspect of shoulder and superficially between two branches of scalenus muscle. The nerves derived from brachial plexus innervates to entire forelimb and some part of neck and thoracic region. The first branch of brachial plexus is the external thoracic nerve, which is also otherwise called as lateral thoracic nerve. The lateral or external thoracic nerve is formed from the fibers of C8, T1 and T2. It passes downward under the internal face of the triceps brachii. The triceps brachii is composed of three heads, that is long head, medial head and lateral head. The long head originates from the caudal border of scapula and caudal surface of humerus. The medial head originates from upper third part of medial surface of shaft of humerus. The lateral head originates from craniolateral upper part of shaft of humerus. All these three heads of triceps brachii are inserted on the olecranon process of ulna. It innervates to pectoral, cutaneous muscle and abdominal skin. One of its branch joins with first and second intercostal nerves, curves around ventral border of latissimus dorsi muscle and passes outward, forward and innervates to cutaneous muscle of scapulohumeral region. The next nerve is thoracodorsal nerve. The thoracodorsal nerve is formed from the fibers of C8 and T1. It passes backward and upward and gives fibers to the latissimus dorsi muscle. The latissimus dorsi muscle originates from thoracic and lumbar spines and is inserted on the teres tubercle present on the medial surface of the humerus. Next nerve is long thoracic nerve. The long thoracic nerve is formed by the fibers of C7 and C8. It runs backward and gives fibers to the serratus cervicis and serratus thoracis muscle. Serratus cervicis muscle originates from transverse processes of second to seventh cervical vertebrae and lateral surfaces of first 5 ribs. It is inserted at the craniodorsal part of medial surface of scapula. The serratus thoracis muscle is originated from lateral surface of 4th to 9th rib and is inserted at the caudodorsal part of the medial surface of scapula. The next nerve is the pectoral nerve, which is also otherwise called as the cranial thoracic nerve. The pectoral or cranial thoracic nerve is formed by the fibers of C7, C8 and T1. It arises from the cranial part of brachial plexus. One of its branch run downward and backward and innervates to the superficial and deep pectoral muscle. Superficial pectoral muscle originates from first sternivora and is inserted at the ventral part of humeral crest. The deep pectoral muscle has got its origin from the ventral surface of sternum and is inserted at the medial tuberosity of humerus. Other branch runs downward and innervates to the brachiocephalicus muscle. The brachiocephalicus muscle originates with its two divisions, that is dorsal and ventral, from the occipital bone, ligamentum nuchae, temporal bone and mandible. It is inserted at the cranial part of musculospiral groove of humerus. Then the next nerve is subscapular nerve. The subscapular nerve is formed from the fibers of C6 and C7. It passes backward, gives 2 to 3 branches that innervates to the subscapularis muscle. The subscapularis muscle originates from the subscapular fossa of scapula and is inserted at the medial tuberosity of humerus. Next nerve is suprascapular nerve. The suprascapular nerve is formed from the fibers of C6 and C7. It passes downward and outward in the space between supraspinatus and subscapularis muscle. Then it winds around lower part of cranial border of scapula, gains supraspinatus fossa and innervates to supraspinatus muscle. Then it runs under acromion process and innervates to infraspinatus and teres minor muscle. Next nerve is the nerve to the teres major muscle. Nerve to the teres major is formed from the fibers of C7 and C8. It runs backward, crosses the subscapularis muscle, then it enters in the teres major muscle and gives off branches to it and caudal part of subscapularis muscle. Teres major muscle originates from the caudodorsal part of the scapular angle and is inserted at the medial tuberosity of humerus. Then the axillary nerve. The axillary nerve is formed by the fibers of C7 and C8. It runs downward and gains the space between subscapular artery and teres major muscle. Then it passes outward along the caudal circumflex humeral artery and gives off branches to the deltoideus, teres minor, teres major and subscapularis muscle. Next nerve is the musculocutaneous nerve. The musculocutaneous nerve is formed from the fibers of C7 and C8. It runs downward on the medial aspect of shoulder joint along with median nerve. It gives off short branch that joins with median nerve to form a loop through which the axillary artery passes. Then further it passes downward to give off branches to the coracobrachialis, biceps brachii and cutaneous branch to craniomedial forearm region. Coracobrachialis muscle, it originates from the coracoid process of scapula and is inserted at the area above teres tubercle and cranial surface of distal third of shaft of humerus. Biceps brachii muscle, it originates from tuber scapulae and is inserted at the radial tuberosity and the proximal end of the ulna. Then the radial nerve. The radial nerve is formed from the fibers of C7, C8 and T1. It runs downward between subscapularis and teres major muscle. Then it reaches to the musculospiral groove between brachialis and triceps brachii muscle. Here it gives few cutaneous branches. Brachialis muscle, it originates from the area behind head of humerus and is inserted at the medial aspect of proximal end of radius and ulna. It then divides into two parts as superficial trunk and deep trunk. Deep trunk passes between brachialis and extensor carpi radialis and supply all extensor muscles and ulnaris lateralis muscle. Superficial trunk passes downward along the anterolateral aspect of radius and large metacarpal. At middle of the metacarpal bone, it divides into two parts as dorsal medial abaxial digital nerve and dorsal common axial digital nerve. Then the ulnar nerve. The ulnar nerve is formed from the fibers of C8, T1 and T2. It arises with and runs downward along with median nerve up to the middle of arm. Here it gives cutaneous branches which run downward and backward along its parent nerve on internal face of medial condyle of humerus at the level of flexor carpi radialis muscle and divides to supply skin of outer, inner and posterior part of upper third of forearm. Then it leaves the company of the median nerve and passes between medial condyle of humerus and olecranon process and gives articular branch to the elbow joint. Then it passes between two heads of flexor carpi ulnaris and gives muscular branch. Then it passes below all flexor muscles, goes outward and reaches to the tendon of ulnaris lateralis muscle and divides at lower third of forearm into superficial and deep trunk. The superficial trunk passes downward and continues as dorsal lateral abaxial digital nerve, while the deep trunk passes downward along carpus and supply branch to suspensory ligament and unite with lateral branch of median nerve to form posterior lateral abaxial digital nerve. Then the median nerve. The median nerve is formed from the fibers of C8 and T1. At origin, along with musculocutaneous nerve, it forms loop for the passage of axillary artery. Then it runs downward along with arm and crosses elbow joint. Then it enters below the pronator teres muscle, then runs downward between radius and flexor carpi radialis muscle. It then crosses the carpal joint and runs downward up to lower part of large metacarpal bone. Here it divides into lateral branch and a medial branch. The lateral branch again divides into abaxial and axial branches. The abaxial branch of the lateral branch joins with deep trunk of ulnar nerve and continues below as posterior lateral abaxial digital nerve. The medial branch again divides into abaxial and axial branches. Abaxial branch of medial branch runs downward as posterior medial abaxial digital nerve, and the axial branches of both lateral and medial branches unite again to form single trunk that continues downward as a posterior common axial digital nerve.